Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 3 and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the back button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, find the clocks option and tap on it. Here, select the alarms. And right here in the alarms menu, we can add a new alarm by tapping on add alarm. Now we can set the time on which the alarm should go off, and you can swipe up and down on the hours, then minutes, and then AM and PM. And once you're done, you can tap on the check mark or press the action button. No, I guess we have to press the action button. Okay, as you can see, the alarm was added, but you can edit it further by tapping on it. So if you tap on it, you have the customize menu, and here we can change the time again. We can change the repeat option. Basically, you can select on which days the alarm should repeat. Then we have the sounds, label, and delete. First, let's tap on repeat. And here we can select once. If you select this option, it will go off only once and it won't repeat. Daily will repeat daily, basically. Weekdays, the alarm will go off on weekdays. Weekend, the alarm will go off on weekends. And custom allows you to select specific days. So for example, Wednesday and Saturday. And then tap on the check mark. As you can see, the alarm will repeat on the Wednesdays and the Saturdays. Okay, in the sound options, we can select if you want the tone, vibration, or tone and vibration, or nothing. Select the option you like. Then we have the label. You can assign the label for the alarm, for example, I don't know, appointment. And then you can also remove the alarm if you want to, but I'm gonna show it later. Okay, so here we have our alarm. We can turn it on or off. We can also have multiple alarms, like that. And we can also remove the alarms by tapping on one, tapping on delete, like this. And once you're done setting up your alarms, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you set the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.